Hey Mike, how's it going?
Johnny, why are you waking me up?
Dude, I'm just checking in.
Checking in? Why so early? Dude, people sleep.
You have an appointment between 6 a.m. and 8 a.m. to deliver today. Did you forget?
No, I didn't forget. Leave me alone. I'll be there soon.
2 hours later.
Mike, where the hell are you? The customer just called. He said that you haven't arrived. You're not at the dock.
I'll be there in 30 minutes.
Man, this isn't good. We're gonna look bad.
Shut up, Johnny. You haven't been a driver. You don't know what it's like.
You're right, but if I tell the customer you're gonna be there on time, I expect you to be there on time.
Yeah, I'll be there soon. Don't worry.
6 hours later.
Mike, what in the world is going on?
I'm at the dock. I've been here for 4 hours.
The customer keeps blowing up my phone saying that you're still not there. Are you sure?
Well,